told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you can hear me because behind me I got my diesel truck running back here. A little noisy, but that's a diesel, sounds damn nice. So the point of today's video is I am going to be showing you guys some backup lights I installed on it. They've been working really well. They're the Nightlight ones, same as what my light bar is that you can see back here. So let's go take a look at them. Beautiful day out, guys. Look at this. Almost springtime. Sorry I haven't been uploading. I just not in the mood for uploading. You got to be in the right frame of mind, basically, if you're gonna upload content. But hopefully I can start churning out some here for you. Truck's looking really nice. We'll get this closed right now. And up she goes. Boop. But yeah, so anyway, point is, here are Alpha Rex taillights, man. Those buggers, top of the line right there, looking beautiful. But here's my two backup lights. I just mounted them to the bumper here, and I'll show you that in a second. Let me shut this thing off. I don't want to shut it off right in the middle of the road, but hopefully nobody's coming. Alright, pull the key. Yeah. So, they just mount up on the bumper here. Pretty easy. I actually did a video. I haven't uploaded it yet. I did these late summer, early fall is when I hooked them up. I put in Nightlight 6.5-inch backup lights. They're not technically backup lights. They're kind of more like your fog driving lights. But I hooked them up as backup lights. So these here came with a wire harness just like the other one did, just like the light bar. And then I ran the wires all along the frame rail all the way back. I'll have these down below in the description, as well as the Nightlight amber and white LED light bar. So both of these will be down below where you can buy them. These mounted up really nice. And then I'll show you underneath. So here's the light, and then I just mounted it right to the bumper like that, no problem. And then I just ran wire harness. I extended it. I had to extend it probably, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 10 feet from what it was. But I hooked up the wire harness for these the same way I did the light bar, and then I just extended it so it ran all the way back here, and I just followed the wire all the way along the frame rail, all the way to the front of the truck, up past the gas tank. So yeah, pretty easy, especially if you want some nice backup lights. I'll try and get video of these too tonight. Alright, we're gonna try backup lights. As you can see, there's my neighbor's yard light, nothing behind me. Holy crap. But let's turn them on. And then basically I ran the wire along underneath all the way up, up under here to my battery up under the hood. Pretty simple. And then just run the toggle switch through your firewall, the wires, and then put in your toggle switch right here. So now that we got them turned on, yeah, there you go. Look at that. And that helps when you're backing up at nighttime. Got dark tint on. They're definitely really bright too. And say if you're gonna hook up to a trailer or anything like that, those are super nice. What I really would like is to get something like that mounted on my enclosed trailer to the back of it. So if I'm backing a trailer up in the dark, I can flip it on and back the trailer up in the dark as well. That would be ideal.
place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
That's the backup lights. If you guys are looking for some, I'll have a link to them down below in the description. Not sure what else I can say. Like I say, I'll show you some of the install video. I'll try and get a little video tonight for you. We'll see how that goes. Kind of the only one doing the filming by myself here, so that's what makes it a little bit hard too. If I had somebody to help, it'd be a lot easier trying to get the video uploaded for you guys and such. So leave a comment. I greatly appreciate the support. I'm loving the truck, by the way. I just took it out. This is only the second time this winter I've taken it out. Got a little bit of dirt on her now. Fender flares are working awesome. These guys they stick out a long way, but man, do those keep a lot of the stuff off the side compared to before. And as you can see, I went through some water and it froze. It's cold out right now. My hands are getting red. But yeah, overall, loving the truck. Super nice. Can't wait to get you guys some more videos, so I'll quit rambling on. Hope you liked the video, guys. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, as always, of course, yada, yada, yada. But anyways, we'll show you some video of the truck and the backup lights, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below in the description what you want to see, what else you want to see, if you have any questions, and I'll try and get them answered for you. Till then, peace out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up,